Okay, so the first thing to do is start with looking for the y-intercept, which is 2, and the x-intercept, which is 6. Everybody okay with this? So the 2 points are, for the y-intercept, it's going to be 0, 2. And for the other one, this is the y-intercept. It's important to identify. And the other one is going to be 6, 0. So this is going to be the x-intercept. Now, from these 2 points, I can determine what is the slope. I do not need the points to find the slope, really? Yeah. The slope is m equals rise over 1. Let's use the squares. Don't use the. So I'm going to take one. First of all, the slope is going downward, so positive or negative. We know it's negative, so we're going to put negative here. And I'm going to take 1 point. I'm going to get to the other one. Either I get to this point or either I get to this point. I think the middle way, that's the best. Don't go to the farthest one. So how much rise did I do? 1, right? Remember, I put a minus sign, so I count the minus factor, right? So the rise is going to be 1. The rise is 1. And then the run right now, 1, 2, 3. The run on the bottom, so 1/3. The m minus 1/3 is negative because it's going downward. 1 because that's how much shift on the y-axis, and the 3 because how much shift on the x-axis from one point to another point on the line. All right, we good? I get that one. I get the y-intercept. I'm done. My equation will be mx plus b, and if I write it down, it's going to be minus 1 over 3x plus the 2, right? Now my problem is I'm having fractions. I don't need it this format, right? So what I need to do for this, get rid of the denominator. How do you get rid of denominator? Multiplying everything by denominator. You have 3 terms there, so 3 times y, 3y's. 3 times minus 1/3, what's it going to be? -1, very good. This and this cancels out, it's going to be -1x. 3 times 2 is going to be plus 6. All right? Now you want the x's and the y's together. So this is going to be moving this one to this side. So you're going to be x, or 1x if you want to, plus 3y. You're going to be whatever left, 6. And this is your final answer, right? And that should be B. B is good for me.